We want the discerning connoisseur to be overwhelmed with positive emotion. We want them to feel our tactile and material story. We want them to be enthralled in the performance of the appliances. And we want them to understand that Monogram is a lifestyle.
This year was the year of Monogram. We really wanted to focus on making sure the market understood our material story. What I kept finding out was we didn't really have a great presence in the market to tell that story.
Monogram has made a large investment in displays across the nation.
This year, Monogram is on track to do over 140 experience displays, which just shows you that the Monogram brand is truly invested to telling our story. If you go into a retailer that sells Monogram, you're able to get the story that we're trying to tell.
You can bring a client into this space and really engage with the product on a deeper level. They can understand how it works. They can create that full immersion into our brand journey.
The Monogram experience is a way to emotionally showcase what our collections mean, all the way from California to New York.
We're always telling an architectural story. We understand true luxury experience, and we're bringing a new dimension and a heightened journey into the kitchen space.
We've really taken the time to outline what those top tier qualities are.
Light, airy, open, spacious. These are all things that we wanted to bring to life in a contemporary kitchen space.
It's the details that define us, and we really truly take that to heart. Clean lines, seamless integration, custom paneling. It's very purposefully designed in order to give you that clean look.
Everything is fully concealed and sophisticatedly integrated into its natural environment.
What we really wanted to articulate in person for people to see is all of the detail that we are putting into these appliances.
You're gonna see textures. You're gonna see wonderful woods. You're gonna see high contrast definition, and you're going to see beautiful materials that bring the space to life.
We want designers, consumers, builders to walk into a showroom and really inspire them on what can be in their kitchen. If they were to do the statement collection, this is what it could look like. If they wanted to do the minimalist collection, this is an option for them.
The Minimalist Collection is Monogram's most visual product to date. It's a very clean and simple form.
It's not just modern, it's not just traditional. More and more you can see that people are starting to blend these designs together.
The beauty of the Statement Collection is that it's very versatile. It's not overly traditional, but it's not overly contemporary.
You can do whatever you want with your kitchen when you use the Monogram collections.
It has had a tremendous success and an overwhelming acceptance by the discerning designer and the luxury consumer. You can really experience the Monogram brand.
Whether you're going for the minimalist collection or the statement collection, at the end of the day, you're leaving your own mark on something, and that mark is for Monogram.